Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel Monica's Palette. If you are new here, I'm Monica and I'm so thrilled to have you join me today. This video is extra special because it is inspired by someone very special to my heart, my mom. She isn't just my inspiration in life, but she has been the guiding light in everything. From the basics to intricate details, she is my first makeup guru and the reason I fell in love with makeup in the first place. So grab your brushes and let's get ready with me. Starting with our CTM process, cleansing, toning and moisturizing. My mom always emphasized the importance of skincare as the foundation of any makeup look. Growing up, I remember watching her effortlessly apply her makeup, and I was always mesmerized by how glamorous she looked. She taught me the importance of self care and how a little makeup can truly enhance our natural beauty. So I thought it would be fitting to pay my gratitude to her by recreating one of her signature looks. But of course, I will be adding my own twist to it to make it more current and suitable for today's trend. As I go through each step, I want you to think about someone in your life who has inspired you, whether it is your mom, grandma, sister, or a friend. Take a moment to reflect on the impact they have created on your life. It's these moments of gratitude that reminds us of the beautiful connections we have with others. Now, before we dive deep into the makeup, I have a little favor to ask. I know how tempting it can be to skip ahead or click away, but I promise you, this video touches you even at the slightest point. Trust me, it will be worth it. And while we let our moisturizers sink in, let's talk about strobe cream and lip balm. These two are actually essential for achieving that natural, dewy glow my mom always rocked effortlessly. Now, on to the color correction and foundation. My mom taught me the art of blending and matching foundation perfectly to my skin tone. It is all about enhancing our natural beauty and not masking it. As we blend away imperfections, let's remember that the imperfections are what makes us unique, just like my mom always says. Now let's talk about concealer, the secret weapon for hiding those late night study sessions or early morning adventures. My mom always had a trick up her sleeve when it came to concealing imperfections. I remember one time I had a big presentation and I woke up with the biggest pimple right on my forehead. I was panicking, but my mom came to the rescue with her trusty concealer. She dabbed a bit of concealer on the spot, blended it seamlessly, and just like magic, the pimple disappeared. It wasn't just about covering it up, it was about giving me the confidence to shine despite the imperfections. And that's the thing about makeup. It's not about hiding who you are, it's about embracing your flaws and highlighting your best features. Thanks, Mom, for teaching me that beauty is more than skin deep. And I remember watching my mom apply foundation with such precision. She would always start in the center of her face and blend it outwards, using gentle strokes to ensure even coverage. She always had a keen eye for matching foundation perfectly to her skin tone, and she taught me the importance of getting it just right. She told me that foundation isn't just about covering up imperfections, it is about creating a smooth canvas for your makeup, enhancing your natural beauty without hiding who you are. I remember one particular occasion when I was getting ready for my first big dance recital. I was nervous, excited, and a bit unsure about how to apply foundation properly. Thanks to her guidance, I stepped onto stage feeling confident and radiant. And to this day, every time I apply foundation, I am reminded of her unwavering support and love. With a twinkle in her eye, she would hand me her favorite foundation and say, "Blend, blend, blend." It was her mantra for achieving that seamless airbrushed finish. Next up is the baking process. My mom's trick for long lasting makeup was to bake under the eyes and the T zone. While we let that bake, let's not forget about shaping our brows. My mom always said, well groomed brows frame the face and add that extra touch of elegance. Now, on to the fun part, eye makeup. My mom is a master at creating mesmerizing eye looks, and she always encourages me to experiment and express myself through my eye makeup. She is a true artist when it comes to creating eye looks, and she passed down her wisdom to me with every brush stroke. I remember the first time she let me experiment with eyeshadow. I was about 12 years old and she handed me her beloved eyeshadow palette with a playful smile. As I dipped my brush into the vibrant colors, she encouraged me to unleash my creativity and express myself fearlessly. With each sweep of color, she shared her tips and tricks for blending, shading, and creating depth, secrets she had learned through years of practice and passion for makeup. But more than just teaching me about makeup, those moments were about bonding and connecting with my mom on a deeper level. We laughed, we shared stories, and we celebrated the beauty of self expression. So every time I sat down to create an eye look, I'm not just applying makeup, I'm carrying on a legacy of love and creativity that my mom instilled in me. Thanks, Mom, for showing me that beauty is truly in the eye of the beholder. She taught me that confidence is the best accessory you can wear, and a bold eye look is the perfect way to show it off. With our eyes done, let's move on to blush, highlighter, and lips. As we dive into that, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my future videos. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up. Also, share your story down in the comments. I would love to read them. Last but not least, let's finish off the look with the lipstick. My mom's signature look always ends with a hint of soft pink shade that commanded attention everywhere she went. And now, to lock in this masterpiece, let's spits on some makeup fixer. My mom swore by this to keep her makeup looking fresh all day. And who am I to argue with her? And here is the final look. Before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to thank my mom for being my ultimate inspiration and guiding me through this beautiful journey of makeup and self discovery. Mom, I know you're watching. This one is for you and to all the inspiring ladies out there. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I would love to hear about your female inspiration or role model in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, keep embracing your beauty and never forget the incredible women who inspire us every day. Take care, beauties. Bye.